All about alliteration, adding "ah" to your English. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're delving into the delightful domain of figurative language, and our focus will be on alliteration. Alliteration is a fantastic, fun tool you can use to make your English more enjoyable, exciting, and expressive. Let's get started. So, what exactly is alliteration? Well, in its simplest form, alliteration is the repetition of the same sound or letter at the beginning of closely connected words. A classic example might be, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Notice how the sound of the letter P pops up persistently in that sentence. That's alliteration. Alliteration isn't just about creating catchy sentences. It plays a crucial role in poetry, prose, speeches, and even marketing. It's used to draw attention to certain phrases and create mood. It can also aid memory recall, hence its frequent use in tongue twisters and branding. Now that we understand what alliteration is, let's look at some examples. She sells seashells by the seashore. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Did you notice the recurring sounds at the start of each word? That's alliteration in action. So, how do you create your own alliteration? Easy. Choose a letter, then think of words that start with that letter. Create a phrase or sentence using those words. Remember, the words should be closely connected or adjacent in your sentence. For example, if we choose the letter B, we might create the sentence, Bobby bought blue balloons at the beach. And that's it for today's lesson on alliteration. We hope you've enjoyed exploring this engaging element of English language. Try creating your own alliterations and using them in your conversations or writing. It can be a lot of fun and a great way to express your creativity. Remember, alliteration isn't just an interesting language feature. It's a tool to make your English more engaging and memorable. Happy alliterating!